Cameraman here, folks. What we have here is a Dodge Durango, okay? It ain't bad, folks. It's not the best, it's not the worst. It's got the typical rust. You know how they are. It's an SLT. Now, you guys know what we did with that Honda last time. We got a leather gut here, too. The leather's pretty clean, except for that. We tried the wet vac, folks. It didn't work. We're gonna try the dry vac. Open it up, stuntman. Any Walmart, $39.95. Now.
You'll find V8 wet vacs everywhere. Wet vacs, dry vacs everywhere.
Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna start it up. We got some things here. We got some dirt.
Listen.
We got some cat food. We got some Cheerios. Kid spills the Cheerios. What are you gonna do? Start it up, stuntman. Take your end of the vacuum.
We needed more power.
So what we got here, basically, I'm one of those guys you see in a flea market that's gonna show you how everything can be vacuumed up and everything's so nice and your wife's gonna be so happy when she...
Rev it up!
Here we go. Hold on, folks. This is how you have to control your wet vac, folks. Vacuum it up. Get some dirt, stuntman. Wow.
It's collapsing.
You might be clogging it up, that's why. Get some dirt, stuntman. See how the dirt works. Get you right up. Clean as a whistle. Wow, I can actually smell leaves burning in the motor. He's getting every piece of that dirt, folks.
Hold on, Cheerios.
Go get the Cheerios. Kid spills the Cheerios.
It handles household messes, too.
Household messes, no problem. Right up. Right up, folks. Get the Cheerios. You don't have to yell at your kid anymore. It's fun. It's fun, folks. Vacuuming has just become fun. Vacuum up the Cheerios, folks. Vacuum up the Cheerios. Wow, it smells like a Cheerio factory right now, stuntman. Now, if you see where the vacuum cleaner hose is going, right into the intake. Wow.
What about rice? Rice-a-roni!
The San Francisco treat, folks. Wow, it vacuums everything up. This is incredible. You gotta love this dry vac.
More food!
Ah, this is gonna be bad, folks. It vacuums it right up! It vacuums it right up! Oh my God! Oh my God! It vacuums it right up! Wow! There we go!
Throw it in! Let's throw it in, Steve! Hold on!
Let's say you tell your kid to clean up and he spills the Comet all over. What do you do? What to do, folks? You vacuum it right up. No problem at all. Look at that. There you go. You got your Durango vacuum cleaner, folks. Vacuum it up. Wow, folks. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. And
In the 25 years that we're my wife, that's the most fucking cleaning I've ever done!
folks, it's unbelievable. And it's going right in. Oh, she's giving us a little backlash. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna pause it for a second because we're gonna put bubbles. Nah, we're gonna put bubbles into the intake and see if it comes out the exhaust, everyone. Wow, folks. Hold on, we'll be right back after these messages. All right, folks, let's see what we got here.
Oh, fuck!
Wow.
Hold on.
You know what? Start it up and let's get that right into the motor. Well, a vacuum cleaner bag, I think, is going to be the crankcase. If this backfires... There we go! It sucked it right in like it was meant to be. Hold on. Go get some more Cheerios and put it in the intake. I gotta get a close-up on that. Hold on, folks. Oh, this is out of control. You gotta love it. Where do you get to see it, folks? Neutral drop, that's where. Watch this. I just don't want to get my face blown off if it backfires. It sucked it right in.
Hold on, rice. Let's do rice.
Oh, this is insane. This is insane. Wow. Little rice, folks. Little rice and beans. I don't even know what that is. All right, let's see how it does. Soap, we're gonna see bubbles come out of the tailpipe, everyone. Hold on. More it. It's bubbles. No bubbles yet, folks. I can smell the bubbles. I can smell the soap coming out of the tailpipe, folks. I can actually smell it. I cannot believe this thing's running, stuntman. This is incredible. Wow. Wow. Hold on, folks. We'll be right back after these brief messages. We're gonna see if we can blow this up. Okay, listen to me. First we vacuum cleaned the ground. We took up Cheerios, dirt, rice, dog food, cat food, right through the vacuum cleaner, this is the most, I am gonna buy one of these. I'm parking one of these in my living room. I'm gonna get like a 40-foot vacuum cleaner hose. He's gonna feed it Twizzlers, folks. I don't know, I don't know if anyone's ever fed Twizzlers to a motor, but I need to stand back a little. I don't want to get my head blown off by a backfire or something like that. This is the, and I tell you what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive it right to the crusher.
I thought we were retailing this one. Mr. Jones, we always gave it high octane gas and changed your oil. All
Incredible.
Right, this is a new one, guys.
Twizzlers.
Let's see what it's got! What you got, stuntman? Twizzlers, baby, that's what it's got!
Look at Stuntman's face! Wow. Yeah, they went in! And it ate Twizzlers, too. Give me one of those.
My golly, I feel like this thing's got a sweet tooth! Let's see how it likes M&M's!
M&M's, folks. Everyone likes M&M's. I think a Dodge is gonna like M&M's. Just like the body rots out, that's like its teeth. So that tells it has a sweet tooth.
This is gonna hurt because these are almond M&M's.
Oh,
I love almond M&M's!
All right, folks. Let's see if it likes almond M&M's. Because I love almond M&M's. Went right in, Stuntman. This thing will eat anything.
I don't want his sugar level to get too high! But fuck it!
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm fascinated. I'm fascinated by this Dodge Durango. Oh. There we go. Wow. All right, stunt, shut it down. And it's idling. How about some pure dirt for those people that believe in air cleaners? I never change my air filter. Hold on. All right, he just scooped up some, let me see that before you dump it in. He just got some pure dirt from over by that tree. Rev it up, stuntman! Ooh, could the dirt have been the final straw? I don't think so. Wow. All right.
Did it suck the dirt all the way in?
It sucked everything in. This is the most incredible Dodge
experience
Durango
of my life, besides having my kids.
This is incredible.
Me
All
and
right,
my wife didn't compare to this.
this is what we're gonna do, folks. We're gonna drive it to the crusher right now. Like, comment, subscribe. Where do you get to see it, folks? Where do you get to see a vacuum cleaner Dodge Durango with leather? You don't get to see it anywhere. That's where. Neutral drop, baby, that's where. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going for the 1 million, everybody. Woo!